read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, our today's lecture is about lowercase letter I and its sound. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to identify the lowercase letter I and learn words that start with the sound of letter I, that is E. That is E. First of all, you will make flashcards of different vocabulary words. Here we have just given iguana and igloo. You could ink pot, inchworm. It's very important to make different flashcards for the students to visualize, to clear the concept of the students about sound of letter I. So, after that, you will teach the formation. Start from second line, you could say, because it's very important to tell to the students from where we will start, like lowercase letters. It's lowercase letter I. Student get confused. I don't want to make conflict in their mind. So that's why we will clear the concept and tell, start from the second line, come straight down, put a dot on the top. It will make small I. The letter name is I. The sound of I is E. Induction. E. Iguana. E. Igloo. E. Inkpot. E. Inchworm. Okay, after that, the statement is given over here. The iguana visits the igloo. The iguana visits the igloo. Then ask different question. What is the color of iguana? What's the color of igloo? After that, how many eyes are there in the above sentence? And who visits the igloo? After that, it's time to mime. Call one by one to the students closer to yourself and say to them, pretend to fly in the air and say E, E, E with like arms outstretched and making swooping motion. They will do act like that and they will recall this sound again and again. E, 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 E. Okay, I hope so you understood this lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.